Hey guys, today I want to share with you how I put together this Rustic Glam Centerpiece. I'm going to start here with the dough bowl. I have my dough bowl that I usually use on the kitchen table. I have some evergreen. This is the long pine needle evergreen. I have some birchwood logs, some flocked evergreen, and then some ornament balls, some rustic, some a little shiny for a little bit of glam, and then two sizes on the pine cones. I have painted pine cones and then flocked pine cones, which this one was flocked with the spray, the snow, and then this one I spray painted. So I do prefer this version better because it does not come off on your hands when you're working with it. And then I have some red beads because I have incorporated a little bit of red in the kitchen. So I'm going to start out with placing the evergreen in the dough bowl. And because this is going on my kitchen table, I want to make sure it's not very wild and come off too much on the sides of the bowl, so that it's not getting in people's plates or whatever. And I'm gonna raise some, and then I want some laying down, and I'm raising some of the evergreen pieces to like have little pockets where I'm gonna lay the ornaments and the pine cones. So I'm gonna start out with the birchwood logs, and I'm just gonna place one on each end. And this is really simple. This is why I wanted to share this with you guys, but I think it looks really good once it's all set up. And someone asked before, where do I get the birchwood logs? You can get these at Hobby Lobby. Sometime Marshalls might carry them, but I did see them at Hobby Lobby. Okay, so then I'm going to add the pine cone. Maybe move that over a little bit. Place this one here. Now this is where I'm going to add the beads. And I don't have a particular way that I'm going to add them, just kind of random. And I may adjust them a little later, but for now, I think I'm just going to let a little bit drape off to the side on both sides. And put in one of my shiny ornaments on that side, maybe one here. I might adjust this. You just have to play around with it. I think I put one there. And then I'm going to put these in. And because I do have the flocking on my garland, I'm going to add a little bit of this because I do want a lot of white to show. And because I'm dealing with some bulky items, you may not be able to use all of the pieces because some of the larger pieces may not fit. But that's why you have the little valleys that I created, just so some of the pieces will have a little pocket to rest in. Okay, and that's basically it. Okay guys, so let me just tell you where I am with the arrangement right now. Once I brought it upstairs, I didn't really like the beads the way I had them positioned, so I took them out for now. I will add them back, or I'll add red berries. I know it needs something red, but I'm not sure right now what I'm going to do. But let me tell you what I did add. So I found these picks that I had. They're like little lightly glittered branches with pine cones, mini pine cones attached to them. So I went ahead and inserted them like underneath these balls and the smaller pine cones. So basically right on top of the larger pine cones, I went ahead and inserted 2 picks, and then I put the grapevine balls back, and then I wanted to add just a little bit more pop of a little glitz, so I added 2 small glittered ornaments, and then I added a little stem right here, another little glittered stem right there. And so right now I think it looks really good, and I'm gonna add the red beads and then I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so you guys know how I love decorating with beads, and I found these at the Goodwill for $1.49 and had to figure out how to use them, and I think I got it. Okay guys, so I decided to add a tassel on the open end just to finish it off, and I think that looks really nice. Hey guys, I'm so sorry about all the changes, but sometimes change is necessary until you get exactly what you want. So I thought I would give away this paper dining set because, let's be honest, we don't always eat on china at Christmas. Sometimes you may use paper plates for your Christmas breakfast, or you may have a kids table, or you may have a lot of guests and you don't have enough china to go around. So I thought this would be very helpful to someone who may need a little extra help with the dining supplies. So this set comes with 24 cocktail napkins, 24 dinner napkins, 20 appetizer plates, and 20 dinner plates, and 20 cups. And the appetizer plates are in red and white, and the dinner plates are in red. Also thought this paper and pen set would be a nice addition as well. You can use this for your shopping list for your groceries, or you can use it for your Christmas shopping list. I know this may not fit in everyone's decorating style, but I thought the red and the gold was pretty classic. So if you think this is something that you could use and you would like to receive this as a gift, just leave me a comment below and let me know how you would use it. Would you use it for breakfast, or would you use it for dinner? And I will automatically enter you into the drawing. So because I want to get this out to the winner as quickly as possible, I'm going to close the drawing on Friday the 14th at midnight. So if you're interested, leave your comment and I will pick the winner on Saturday. So good luck to everyone who participates, and thank you all for watching. I will see you in Friday's video for the kitchen tour. Bye-bye.